Assalamu alaikum. In this session, I'm going to talk about the four basic operations that we know: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So here in Microsoft Excel, we have the data, and then, for example, in this column, I want to add 12 with 555. So I will do the basic operation. Just we put the equal sign, then open the bracket, and then we decide the first cell, which is B6. So this is the beginning, and then we put the sign of addition, and then put the second cell, which is E6. And then we close the bracket and hit the enter. Now we got the result quickly, and then we can drag down so we can format or copy the formatting or the formula for the rest of these columns, rows. Now you can see, for example, 22 with 33, it will be 55. Now for the subtraction, again, equal sign, then open the bracket and decide the first cell. Then we put the sign of subtraction, and then decide or define the second cell, and we close the bracket, then enter. So it will be, this is the result, and then I copy the formula. So now you can see this is the result of subtraction. Again, with the multiplication, equal, open the bracket, and then decide the first cell, then put the sign of multiplication and define the second cell and close the bracket, then enter. So this is the result of the multiplication, and the last one is for the division. So again, type the equal sign, open the bracket, and then decide the first one, click on it, then put the sign of division, and then decide or define the second cell and close the bracket and hit enter. Now this is the result of division, and then formulate or copy the formula for this two to be applied to the rest. So these are the four main operational calculation operations in Microsoft Excel. Thank you very much.